और ग्रामर नेचुरली आती है भाई साहब। एक 3 साल के बच्चे को भी ये पता है कि जब मुझे कहना हो कि मुझे चॉकलेट चाहिए तो वो ये कभी नहीं कहता कि चाहिए मुझे चॉकलेट। इफ यू आर नॉट मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स, यू आर नॉट लर्निंग। Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, was rejected from more than 30 jobs in his early life. One big reason was his poor English. So in today's video we are going to talk about some of the biggest myths about learning English. बहुत सारे लोगों के दिमाग में ये बातें घुस गई हैं जो उनको आगे नहीं बढ़ने देती। आज हम उन myths को, उन दकियानुसी बातों को वन बाय वन क्लियर करेंगे। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। So myth number 1, I need perfect English before I speak. This is the most common fear. लोग समझते हैं कि अगर मैं गलती करूंगा तो लोग हंसेंगे। But the truth is, no one speaks perfect English. Even native speakers make mistakes. They forget words, they pause, they change sentences in the middle. English is not about perfection, it is about communication. When you can express your ideas clearly, when the other person understands you, you are already successful. Remember this line, fluency is not perfection. Fluency is freedom. Freedom to express yourself without fear. So myth number 2, grammar is everything. काफी लोग कहते हैं कि जब तक मेरी ग्रामर परफेक्ट नहीं हो जाती मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोलूंगा। But think about it. When a 3-year-old child learns to speak his mother tongue, does he learn grammar first? नहीं, he learns by listening, speaking, repeating. और ग्रामर नेचुरली आती है भाई साहब। एक 3 साल के बच्चे को भी ये पता है कि जब मुझे कहना हो कि मुझे चॉकलेट चाहिए तो वो ये कभी नहीं कहता कि चाहिए मुझे चॉकलेट। उसके स्ट्रक्चर भी परफेक्ट होते हैं। इट मीन्स when you keep practicing speaking, listening, after a certain period of time you are able to rectify your own mistakes. Believe me, grammar is important, but grammar is not everything. Your confidence, clarity and practice matter much more. I always say communication first, grammar later. Myth number 3, I must speak in a foreign accent. Many people believe अगर मेरी English accent अमेरिकन या ब्रिटिश जैसी नहीं होगी तो लोग मुझे सीरियस नहीं लेंगे। That's wrong. The reality is every country has its own accent. Indians, Pakistanis, Arabs, Japanese, Chinese, सबकी अपनी accent होती है। Accent doesn't matter. Clarity matters. If you can speak clearly and people can understand you, that's enough. Remember this, your accent is your identity. Be proud of it. Myth number 4, vocabulary must be difficult. लोग कहते हैं मुझे टफ वर्ड्स आने चाहिए तभी मैं फ्लुएंट लगूंगा। Fluency is not about difficult words. It is about using simple words at the right time in the right way. For example, instead of saying I am famished, you can simply say I am very hungry. Simple, clear and powerful. And here is a secret. The best communicators use the simplest words. Myth number 5, if I make mistakes, people will laugh. Yes, some people might laugh. So what? उनकी हंसी आपके ग्रोथ को रोक नहीं सकती। हर ग्रेट स्पीकर ने गलतियां की है, हर लर्नर ने स्ट्रगल किया है। Mistakes are not your weakness. Mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake brings you one step closer to fluency. Remember this golden rule. If you are not making mistakes, you are not learning. Let me share a real life example. Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, was rejected from more than 30 jobs in his early life. One big reason was his poor English. But instead of giving up, he started practicing with foreign tourists in his hometown. He made hundreds of mistakes, but he kept learning step by step. His confidence grew And today, the same Jack Ma gives speeches in English at international events and inspires the whole world. His story proves that mistakes are not the end, they are the preparation of growth. Myth number 6, I am too old to learn English. काफ़ी लोग कहते हैं कि अब मेरी एज निकल गई है, अब मैं कैसे इंग्लिश सीखूंगा. But my friends, age is just a number. There are people who learn English at 40, 50, even 60 years of age and became successful. According to science, our brain can learn new things till the very last day of life. It's never too late. If you have the will, you can find the way. Myth number 7, fluency will come in 1 month. This is another big myth. लोग समझते हैं कि मैं एक कोर्स कर लूँगा या फिर एक एप्लीकेशन यूज़ कर लूँगा और फ्लुएंट हो जाऊँगा. No, fluency is not a magic pill. It is a journey. It needs daily practice, consistency, confidence and patience. Even if you learn one new word daily in 1 year, you will have 365 new words. That's enough to transform your English. Small steps daily create big changes. So my friends, today you have broken the biggest myths about learning English. So now the choice is yours. Will you still wait for perfect English or will you start speaking with imperfect courage? Remember, your mistakes will not stop you. People's laughter will not stop you. Only your fear will stop you. So throw that fear away and practice, learn and grow. Because English is not just a language. It is your voice, power and freedom. So if you find this video fruitful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and leave a feedback in the comment section, because I always bring great contents for you. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, follow me for more. See you in the next video.